Manjula, kindly tell us, how do you think a salesman, you as a person who started as a salesman, now you are a group CEO. So in this journey, what do you think that salespeople should follow? What are the principles? What are the best practices that they should follow? What is your advice about it?
Neville Pereira, the sales coach, is asking me what kind of an advice that I could give the sales guys in terms of moving forward and making their careers bright. So let me start this by taking into consideration how I have come in my journey. So it's always a dream. I'm going to tell all the sales guys, this is actually not only for the sales people. This applies to anyone, any job, any person who wants to, reach wherever they want to reach in terms of their careers and even in their personal lives, right? If you dream, your dream where you want to be, you dream where you want to be, is where you want to be taken. So I always dreamt of coming into a position like this. Even after starting sales in 1989, working for Unilever for almost 14 years, right? And after that, working for few multinationals like the Coca-Cola, then Airtel, then Samsung, then Nestle's, and finally working for a local conglomerate like Lanka Milk Foods, right? So, which I always dream that I always wanted to lead a business before 50 years. So I took that challenge by myself. That's why I'm here. Now, one big advice which I will be giving my sales guys, my sales team, because I'm a salesperson. I took the bill book in 1989, went to outlet by outlet, making sure that my sale has been achieved. So I know exactly the heartbeat of the sales guys, sales team. So the biggest advice is focus. While you have your dream in back of your mind, let's make sure that you focus in terms of what you want to do. Now, focusing, how you will be focusing is basically the work that you will be doing at that particular time has to be focused and do it properly. You can't focus so many things at once. No, take one at a time. Take small bites at a time. Make sure that your small bite is being properly taken into consideration and properly achieved. Achieve your task 1, then go to task 2. There are people who have multitasking ability. No problem. If you can do 2-3 tasks at a time, let's do it. But the catch here is focus and finish it, do it properly. You may be going on a sales stream in terms of achieving a daily target. Make sure that you do it. You may be going on a merchandising drive, taking into consideration of doing merchandising and achieving a merchandising goal in a specific area in terms of a number of outlets. Let's focus and do it. So ultimately, unknowingly, you will do a year's work. You will achieve your year's target. Target is not the sales target. Your personal target, your educational target, where you want to be, and as well as your work target. So I always talk about 2 things. All these, both these things has to simultaneously achieved in your life. You should not forget 2 aspects to it, as I told you in my previous discussion also. So the biggest advice, very simply, focus, dream it, make sure that you reach your dream by clearly focusing in terms of your activities, day-to-day activities, weekly activities, monthly, yearly, and unknowingly you will reach your numbers. Thank you, Neville, for giving me this opportunity, and all the best, sales guys, for your future.
Thank you, Mr. Manjula Dahanayaka, for joining with us, the Group CEO of Lanka Milk Foods. Thank you very much for taking your time with us on Neville Perra, the Sales Coach channel. Thank you.